and Ghost Story Review. Today we're going to be doing opposites. So let's see if this one will fit. So that one won't fit. Now we got to do the little car. And it will fit. You can take this car out and see if this can come off. Yep, it can come off. And if you put that car on, it'll stay because there's like little things right here that hold the tires, and it holds it where it can't move. So, and it can be either on or off. So, this is going to be all for today. Bye.